Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing. In this video, I will demonstrate how to utilize the ping command effectively, including its application in identifying the data loss. So the ping command is valuable accessing network connectivity between a host computer and a server or another computer. In our daily interactions, we often rely on seamlessly data transfer between networks and individual machines. So in this video, I will be pinging a Google server, and then I will be showing you how it is helping us. So if you see the command prompt, so what I'm doing is to show you text clearly, I'm just changing my command prompt color. So now I'm just pinging Google server, and you can see here the Google server is pinging, and then you can see there is a no data loss, which is 0%, and 4 packets sent, 4 packets received. And then you can also ping Google server with extension T. It will be keep pinging, and then there is no stop unless you press Control C to stop. So I'm giving you one more demonstration here. For example, like you have a Ethernet connectivity and you're pinging Google server, and then you decided to disable the connectivity lost, and then you can see here, like you can see like a data requested timed out. So, and then that indicates that you do not have any network connectivity from your host computer to server computer. And then what I'm doing is like I will be re-enable the network connectivity, and then you can find that you will start pinging to the Google server. So now you can see here I just enabled, and then you can see you'll start pinging the Google server. So that's the usage of ping command. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe my channel.